Alright, here's a wee extra video just for fun. Since I'm meant to bring my Shilky B1 and do this final comparison with the X3, um, I brought my Vindabona by mistake, and I've still got the, obviously, AR Resonance first aid with me. I've not tried it in the Vindabona. I've been having a couple of issues with it. There appears to be a couple of dead spots on it. I think my second valve is losing a little bit of compression. Vindabona trumpet, massive big sound, really dark. It's got 72 bell on it, mine, not the 43. So it can be really, really wide. Also, if you do give it a little bit of beans, then it does open up. So, bear with me. What I'll do is, I'll get the Vindabona. I'll play some stuff similar to what I played in the X3. We'll whack on the first aid, and then we'll have a wee listen to that as well. So I've not tried this yet with the Vindabona. Um, from here, in this room, there's a concrete box with some dodgy foam suppression on it. The sound's quite amazing. It's quite different. I love the Vindabona. It's so nice. I've got a deeper, darker um, air resonance top that I use with this and the large Stradivarius, and that alone makes a difference. And that's the nickel silver. Um, what's it called? First aid. And it does add quite a bit of an edge to it. That top D at the end was just huge, absolutely massive. I think I might be investing in another one of these first aid devices, but maybe go for the bronze brass one or the bronze one to try and get that security, but with a little bit more of a kind of a mellower sound to it. Can you do that with the mouthpieces? Yes, but as I've already said, it's like there's something that this little added weight does to the instrument when it's on here that really, really makes quite a difference to my perspective of the sound that everyone else will be hearing. So, that's all. I'm going to get out of here and I'll get this one uploaded too. Minimal editing on this one. Thanks for watching. Little short video this one. Probably not enough to qualify for a short. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Give me a comment. Absolutely brilliant. Doesn't matter if you don't, but if you do, it helps just boost a lot of the information, including all of the old historical videos that I've done, all the way back to Maggio, Warm-Up A and Lesson 1, which are still the highest watched videos on this channel. Thanks again to all the new subscribers and all the existing subscribers too. So if you haven't done already, I suggest you go and practice. Bye-bye.